We're here to building in Mineola. Look what we have here. It's high pitched. Oh god, not the advanced pull stations. We had good quality audio at the time. There's no lantern inside, that's odd. This could be a 321A. This has a new motor, so maybe not. I'll check the interlock date on the way out. Ring the bell. Extra reverb. Alright, let's see if we have a motor. Probably not. Leveling is a little bumpy. Are we up here? Yeah. Someone was out there, but in a different room. This is a pretty nice elevator, actually, for a 330A. Or what I assume is a 330A. I'm just thinking this deep door frame really gives me a lot of 321A. And also given the fact it's a single slide. Here's your indicator. And it seems like I got a call, so let's check the interlock date. Yeah, this is pretty new. This is from 08. It's a nice 330A. Very nice 330A. Oh, it didn't get a call. It didn't go anywhere. I get some pictures of some of the lanterns and stuff. Because that's actually kind of rare, seeing this exterior lantern with this design. That might be the first time I've ever seen that. So, yeah, that's a pretty nice 330A. And that's it.